Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you ready for our English class? Okay, very good. All of you take your textbook and get ready for our class. Okay. Okay. Today we are going to discuss new science fiction. New science fiction is the name of our lesson. The Creature. The Creature. Okay, The Creature, an extract from The Creature by Alan Wilson. Okay, Alan Wilson. Here, warm up. Look at this picture. All of you look at this picture in your textbook. Take page number 66. Take page number 66. Okay. 66. Discuss this question with your partner. Where would you find such creatures? Such creatures. Give your own answer. Okay. Second one. What special features do you think they might have? Do such creatures really exist? Really exist? Okay. Then we can go through our lesson. Here, this is science fiction as a speculative fiction. Speculative fiction. A science fiction is a writer always explores possibilities in the universe that are yet to be explored. Okay. Here, although to the writer's generations must be seen worried and unrealistic. Maybe it's always unrealistic, wide and unrealistic. One cannot completely rule such writing a just wide imagination. Okay, here the story, here the science fiction that convey that is a science fiction. Here the first we are divided 5 parts. Science fiction. Here, science fiction, 5 parts. Okay, here divided 5. First, the name. That is main character Kensen. Then next, space, that is explorer, space, explorer. Then outer, next, outer, that is galaxy. Then next, space, that is ship. Okay, this is related to our science fiction in our textbook. Next, new planet. Okay, here then all of you look at your textbook. Kensen is a 15-year-old explorer. He and his parents are abroad. A spaceship called the Voyager, exploring the outer galaxy. When the Voyager arrives on a new planet, King, his mother, who is also a commander, and a few others in their team go out to search for new forms of life. Commander Zane Ojiago Izzard Virgil can step out of the spaceship. High cliffs rose on either side as they walk towards a narrow valley. Broken rocks lay everywhere and Madison piloted the explorer slowly. A short distance in the valley, they discovered a big cave that disappeared into the cliff like a clam mouth waiting for them. In front of the cave, and the ground had been badly disturbed. Suddenly, they saw something enormous coming out of the cave. It was 1.5 times taller than a human. It moved easily, seeming to follow off the ground. 6 tentacles grew from its upper body. All of you read silently. All of you read silently. Read fast. Okay. Okay, then all of you read with me. Okay, those who are reading complete, all of you read with me. Okay, Kenzen is a 15-year-old explorer. Kenzen is a 15-year-old explorer. Kenzen. He and his parents are aboard a spaceship called a Voyager. He and his parents abroad. What's the meaning of abroad? On a ship or plane or a rocket. Okay. Spaceship means a vehicle like a rocket that can travel through space. Space vehicle is the spaceship. Okay. Called Voyager. Exploring outer galaxy. Outer galaxy means the system of millions or billions of stars along with gas or dust held together because of gravitational forces. Okay. When the Voyager arrives on a new planet. When the Voyager arrives on a new planet. When the Voyager what does it mean of Voyager? Couple യാത്രക്കാരൻ എവിടെ എത്തി? New planet. Okay. His mother, who is also commander. His mother also a commander. His mother, king. His mother, who is also a commander. Commander means a leader or captain. Kenzen is a captain. Okay. A few others in their team go out to search for a new forms of life. Others in the team go out to search for new forms of life. Okay. Then next paragraph. Commander Zen. Tiago is a Voyager king. Step out of the spaceship. King Clive rose on either side. They walked towards narrow valley. The captain, Commander Zen, Tiago, Izzat, Voyager, and King step out of the spaceship. High cliffs rose on either side as they walked towards narrow valley. Broken rocks lay everywhere in Maxim pilot explorer slowly. Some broken rocks are here. That's why the pilots are moving very slowly. Okay. Explorer means a small size spacecraft that is used for exploration. Okay. Moving slowly. A short distance into the valley. A small distance in the valley. They discovered a big cave. Big cave. Big cave. They had disappeared in the cave like a giant mouth waiting for them. That disappeared in the cliff like a giant mouth waiting for them. In front of the cave, in front of the cave, the ground had been badly disturbed. Something had badly disturbed. Suddenly, they saw something enormous coming out of the cave. Suddenly, പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ എന്താണ് ഒരു സാധനം ഒരു വിചിത്രമായ ഒരു ജീവി അതിനുള്ളിൽ നിന്ന് പുറത്തേക്ക് വരുന്നത് കാണുകയാണ്. Okay. Suddenly, they saw something enormous coming out of the cave. It was 1.5 times taller than a human. It was 1.5 times taller than a human. 1.5 times taller than a human. Okay. ഒരു മനുഷ്യനേക്കാൾ അത്രയും ഒരു മനുഷ്യനെ അധികം നല്ല വലുപ്പമുണ്ട് എന്തിനാ ഈ enormous thingന്. Okay. It moves slowly, seeming to follow all the ground. It moves slowly. It moves easily, seeming to follow all the ground. 6 tentacles grow from its upper body. In the upper body, 6 tentacles. What's the meaning of tentacle? Long, thin, snake-like arms that some sea creatures like octopus, squids, and jellyfish like size ഒരു നീരാളിക്കൊക്കെ കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു വാല് പോലത്തെ സംഭവമില്ലേ, അതാണ് tentacles. How for holding prey. Here the picture we can see that is tentacle. Here, okay. Yeah, 6 tentacles. 6 tentacles are here. Okay, all of you look at this picture. Yeah, 6 tentacles grow up from its upper body. Okay, all of you understand? Here the main character is Kinsan. Here the other characters: Commander Sen, Otiako, Zar, Oichel, King step of the spaceship. Then they are moving with very slowly. A short distance while they discover a big cave. Then they disappear in the cloud. Again, mouth bending out of the further. In front of the cave, the ground had been badly disturbed. Suddenly, they saw something enormous coming out of the cave. Okay, that enormous thing, the half time taller than a human, it moves easily and moving with a seeming flow over the ground. Then we can see the 6 tentacles. 6 tentacles go up of the upper body. Okay, all of you understand this part? Okay, very good. Then next we are going to next paragraph. The creature's head was just a bump with a single eye and no more. Above the eye, in the creature of its forehead was a short, smooth tentacle, more like a plant. It entered in a cup circled by thin feathers. Ash was sticking to its body. The part that was not covered with ash shone with a green slime. Hurry, everyone to explore! Commander Sen shouted as the fire her laser gun. The laser gun seemed to have no effect on the creature. All of you read once again with me. The creature's head was just bumping a single eye and no mouth. Above the eye, in the center of its forehead was a short, smooth tentacle, more like a plant. It entered in a cup circled by thin feathers. Ash was sticking to its body, the parts that were not covered with ash shone with a green slime. Hurry, everyone into the explorer, Commander Sen shouted as she fired her laser gun. The laser seemed to have no effect on the creature. The creature head was just bumped with a single eye. The creature head bumped with a single eye. We can see this picture. Then no mouth. No mouth. No mouth. Above the eye, in the center of its forehead, was a short, smooth tentacle. Above the eye, the center of forehead, was a short, smooth tentacle. It's a small, short, smooth tentacle, more like a plant. It ended in a cup circled thin flares. Thin flares means a long, thin, hairy plants the body of an animal or insect. For example, a snail. Thin, hairy parts of the body. Long, thin, hairy parts. Ash was sticking on its body. Ash was sticking to its body. The parts that were not covered with ash, shone with green slime. Slime means thick, unpleasant liquid, and we can see that unpleasant liquid that in that numerous numerous things. Okay, the parts that were not covered with are shown with a green slide. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, hurry. Everyone into the explorer. Everyone into the explorer. Commander Sen shouted as she fired her laser gun. Hurry. Everyone. എല്ലാവരോടും പറയാം പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഓടി വരാൻ പറയാം ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് in the explorer. Commander Sen shouted. She fired her laser gun. എന്താണ് അത് കയ്യിലുള്ള ലേസർ ഗൺ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ ഗണ്ണ് എന്താണ് വെടിവെക്കുകയാണ്. The laser seemed to have no effect on that creature. പക്ഷേ എന്താണ് ആ ക്രിയേച്ചറിന് ഒന്നും സംഭവിക്കില്ല. Now King moved. He quickly climbed the ladder of the explorer, reaching upward to pass the recorder to Virgil. As Virgil took the recorder, King turned to look back at the escaping team. His mother and Lizard were halfway to explorer. Otiago was older and slower than the other two. As King watched, Otiago fell over on the rocky ground. Before he could get up again, the creature reached him, caught him with a long tentacle and lifted him up. Okay, all of you listen to our textbook. Now King moved. Then King's son was moved. He quickly climbed a ladder of the explorer. Then he quickly climbed the ladder of the explorer, reaching upward the past recorder. Recorder means a device that is used to record sound. അല്ലേ നമ്മൾ മിലിറ്ററിക്കാരുടെ കയ്യിലൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പോലീസുകാരുടെ കയ്യിലൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ അപ്പം നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരെ നമ്മുടെ കൂടെയുള്ള ടീംസിനെ അറിയിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന സാധനമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് പാസ്റ്റ് ദ റെക്കോർഡ് ടു ദ Virgil. As the Virgil took the recorder, he turned to look back at the escaping team. His mother and Lizard were halfway to the explorer. Yes, എന്താണ് അവർ പകുതി വഴിയിലെത്തി. Halfway to the explorer. Otiago was older and slower than the other two. ഈ രണ്ടുപേരിനെക്കാട്ടിലും കൂടുതൽ കുറച്ച് പ്രായം കൂടിയ ആളാണ് Otiago. Otiago was older and slower than the other two. As King watched, Otiago fell over the rocky ground. Otiago fell over the rocky ground. Before he could get up again, അവിടെ എന്താണ് റോക്കി ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ എന്താണ് ചെറുതായിട്ട് ഒന്ന് ചെരിഞ്ഞ് വീണു. അപ്പൊ എന്താണ് ബിഫോർ ഹി കുഡ് ഗെറ്റ് അപ്പ് അഗെയിൻ അദ്ദേഹം വീണ്ടും എഴുന്നേക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. ദ ക്രിയേച്ചർ റീച്ച്ഡ് ഹിം. അദ്ദേഹത്തിനടുത്തേക്ക് ക്രിയേച്ചർ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. caught him with a long tentacle, lifted him up. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ എന്താണ് അതിന്റെ ഒരു ടെന്റക്കിൾ വെച്ച് യൂത്യാഗോനെ ഇങ്ങനെ വളഞ്ഞു പൊളിഞ്ഞ് മീൻസ് അതിനെ ആ ടെന്റക്കിൾ കൊണ്ട് എടുത്തു. Help! Otiago's voice came over King's helmet radio. King helmet's radio. He heard that sound of Otiago. Otiago's voice came over King's helmet radio. King watched the horror the creature brought the scientist's claws to his face. Then the cap of its short tentacle fastened onto Otiago's helmet, plus spreading over the helmet's plastic frame. The sound of the breaking plastic came over the radio, followed by the Otiago's scream. Someone had to take decision and fast. Look up, everyone, said Maxon. As he drove, the explorer paused Commander Sen and Lizard and straight at the creature. Just before the vehicle hit the creature, King dropped from the ladder, landed in the ash and rolled away. The creature gave a strange cry. The explorer hit it. It dropped Otiago, but its tentacle reached for the explorer instead. Commander Sen turned back and hurried towards Otiago. King ran to help to go together. They pulled Otiago away from the creature and hid behind a large rock. Commander Sen whispered, "Nothing seems to hurt it." Okay, first, all of you listen in your textbook. He watched in the horror at the creature brought scientist close to its face. Then the cup of short tentacle fastened onto Otiago's helmet, fear spreading over the helmet's plastic frame. The sound of the breaking plastic came over the radio, followed by Otiago's scream. Someone had to take a decision and fast. Here, King watched the horror. Commander Zen and King Zen watched the horror of that creature brought the scientist close into face. Then the cow, of its short tentacle, fastened and Otiago symbol clear, spreading over the helmet's plastic frame. Plastic frame the sound of the breaking plastic came over the radio, followed by Otiago's feet. Some are hard to take decision and fast. And the commander said, "Number fast to take decision fast. Want to help Otiago." "Look out, everyone," said Madison. As he drove the explorer past Commander said, and Hazard straight at the creature. He drove the explorer past Commander said, and Hazard straight at the creature. Just before the vehicle hit the creature, King dropped from the ladder. Landed the ash and rolled away. Just before vehicle hit creature, King dropped from the ladder. King dropped from the ladder. Landed the ash and rolled away. The creature gave a strange cry. The explorer hid. It dropped Otiago, but tentacles reached from the explorer instead. Creature Commander Zen turned back and hurried towards Otiago. Commander turned back and hurried towards Otiago. Towards Otiago. King ran to help too. Together they pulled Otiago away from the creature. Then together they pulled Otiago away from the creature. Hid behind a large rock. Commander Sen whispered. Commander Sen nothing seems to hurt it. Nothing seems to hurt it. Okay, all of you understand this part? All of you understand that who is the main character? King Zen is a 15-year-old explorer. What are the other characters? Commander Zen, Otiago, Hazard, Virgil, then King. Okay, then next all of you look at the I have some question. Describe the creature that came out of the cave of the new planet. What is the creature that came out of that cave? Okay, describe the creature that came out of the cave on a new planet. The creature that came out of a cave on the new planet was 1.5 times taller than a human being. It moves easily and seemed to follow over the ground. 6 tentacles grew from its upper body and head was formed with a single eye and they have no mouth. The center of the forehead above the eyes was short, smooth tentacle-like plant which ended in a cup. Circled by thin flares, creature body was covered in ash and green slime. Okay, I hope all of you understand these 2 pages. If you have any doubts, please ask me. What is the name of our lesson? The creature. Okay, all of you read 5 times these 2 pages and all of you write down in your notebook. All of you write these words in your notebook. Okay, and all of you send personally. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.